Hi guys, it's Mrs. Ailstock again. I am going to go over how to find your IXL assignments and how to access them in this video. So the first place that we should go to know what our IXL assignments are is our OMHS site. So that is our main page where all of our asynchronous work is. So we select classes, and then this one is specifically for your pre-algebra, so your 8th grade math class. When this comes up on the home page, you'll see your weekly newsletter. And sometimes you may have to scroll in case other announcements have been posted. But this right here tells you your entire agenda for the week, all of the things that you need to get done for this specific class. And I can see that I have 3 different IXL assignments, and they are listed right here. Now, you could go straight to IXL and type in this 3-digit code, and that would take you right to the assignment itself. Another way is I have within this course hyperlinked the IXL assignments. So just like any of your work, we would go to the content page. Once that content page loads, we can see that we're currently working in number properties, and there's a module for weekly newsletters, so you can click on that if you've forgotten. And then there's also a module right here for your IXL assignments. And in this, we have a copy of our rubric, so that's how it's going to be graded. And your gradebook score, how many points you get, is going to be based on your IXL SMART score. So in this module, I've also included what that SMART score is. So just as a refresher, every IXL assignment is going to be graded out of 5 points. Now, your IXL SMART score, if you get between an 80 and an 89, then you'll get 5 points. So that means in the grade book, your assignment is a 5 out of 5, so 100%. If you get above that, so a 90 or above SMART score, then you'll get 1 bonus point in the gradebook. But let's say maybe you're struggling, you've been practicing for a while, you've done all the OMHS assignments, you've asked me for help in the small group sessions and the office hours, and it's still just a tricky concept for you. And maybe you're only able to get between a 70 and 79 SMART score. If that's the case, you'll get 4 out of 5 points in the grade book. And that's still a good grade because 4 out of 5 points is an 80% B. If you're only able to get a 60 to 69 SMART score, you would get 3 points out of 5, which is a 60% D. So that's technically passing, but we really don't want that. We always want to strive for that 70%, that C or above, because that shows mastery. Okay, now for the actual assignments, if you scroll down, you'll see that next week, so starting September 4th, so on Monday, or depending on when you're watching that, maybe today, you have 3 different IXL assignments. They have their start date and the due date. And you can select the hyperlink right here, and it will take you to the IXL site, which I'll do in a moment. But I also have a reminder for you saying if for some reason the link is broken, you can search for this on the IXL homepage and it'll take you right there, along with reminding you about how things are graded. So let's go ahead and click on this now. So here we go. It took me straight to the IXL assignment, and since I was already logged in, I'm good to go. I'm ready to start my practice. With IXL, if you guys are new to IXL, there is a spot for you to learn with an example. So if you ever get stuck on a question, you can select that, and it will give you directions along with working it out step by step. And then right here is where you can see your SMART score. So this is what you're trying to get to an 80. If you get it to an 80, remember that's when you get 100% in the grade book. If you get it to in the 70s, you would get a B. In the 60s, you would get a D or a C. All right, let's try the other way. Let's say that the IXL link is broken. So Y6W. You would then go to IXL and you would sign in. And I'm going to come back here and we can search for Y6W. Hit enter. Y6W, we see that there's one right here, matched skill. I know it lists several, but it says matched skill C8, and if we click on it, it takes us there. And right here is where we can see that name and verify that it matches with the name on our assignment, which is the exact same name listed on that newsletter. So it's repeated in 3 different locations. Hopefully this video helps you out in understanding where to go to find your IXL assignments and how to access them. If you do have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to me and I'll be happy to help you out. Have a great week, guys, and good luck on all your work. Bye.